Hi, I'm Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNN Live. We're at the Bio Maryland booth at the Bio International Convention 2012 in Boston. Next to me is Dr. Irene Gonzalez of Valens Therapeutics, a private company. Welcome, Dr. Gonzalez, to SNN Live.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to be here interviewing.
It's good to have you. Tell me, what does Valens Therapeutics do?
Valens Therapeutics is a small biopharmaceutical company incorporated in Delaware and based in Baltimore, Maryland. And we are developing multi-target therapeutics for several indications. And we are focusing on the development of therapeutic for pancreatic cancer. And we have a very novel technology that has applications, different indications in oncology, neurology, ophthalmology, and infectious diseases. And we are currently seeking actually some funding. That's the reason why we came here, to advance our lead compound for pancreatic cancer.
So what's your background?
My background, I was trained at Johns Hopkins University as a graduate student, postdoctoral fellow, and research scientist for about 12 years. And then I went directly into the private sector, and I was fortunate to go very fast on the corporate ladder, and I became to the positions, leadership positions in process development, product development, management, operations, to senior VP, and then there was a time in which I thought it was a good opportunity to start my company, and that's what I started Valens Therapeutics about in 2008.
I am proud of you.
Oh, thank you very much.
What is so with your background in science and academics, and then you went to the business side, did they call that the dark side?
Well, actually, I think that this is the best way to really to be prepared to start a company. I am not the classic entrepreneur that comes from the lab bench to try to start a company. But I have behind me about 20 years of experience in management, business, operations. So I have, even that I do not have an MBA degree. However, I know how corporations work. I understand the bylaws. I know what it means to responsibility and to move a company, even if you don't have money.
And you read a lot, right?
That's
So what is your website?
My website is www.valenstherapeutics.com.
Now, why did you choose Maryland?
I chose Maryland. Well, first of all, I have been in Maryland since I came to Johns Hopkins in the late 1979 as a graduate student. And for some reason, I always work in companies in Boston that have branches here. And I realized that the reason is because it offers so many resources. We are close to every government organization, very important biotech companies. And also we have two great institutions, academic institutions, which is my alma mater, Johns Hopkins, and as well as the University of Maryland system.
So where are you located in Maryland?
I am located at the UMBC Technology Center. It's one of the bioparks from the University of Maryland.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Irene Gonzalez from Valens, V-A-L-E-N-S, Therapeutics, a private company. We are at the Bio Maryland booth at the Bio International Convention 2012 in Boston, Massachusetts. What a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for coming on.
My pleasure, and thank you so very much for the opportunity.